Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about how to learn Amazon business without any premium courses from a registered institute. Yes, in today's video I am going to tell you a registered institute which is teaching Amazon courses for free. You can learn in brief without paying anything from a registered institute which is verified. Yes, so I am talking about Amazon. Amazon is also providing a free of cost course, a complete course from how to start and what to sell. Each and everything is Amazon telling us in their this sell.amazon.com/sell link. You can come here from Amazon. You can visit this site from here. Make money with us on the bottom of the Amazon website. Just simply click on here and here it is. You are on the learning panel. They are telling us how to start selling on Amazon. There is a definition about it and a complete blog post available. After this is the brief detailed course in which they are telling each and everything in brief detail about packages, about selling, about taxes, about fees, about products, about account profile, about selling strategy, about product management, about attracting customers, about your sales, about your inventory, about your services. Each and everything they are teaching here for free of cost. You can learn these services skills from registered Amazon platform on how to sell your services products on Amazon. As you can see, this is the brief course, brief essay written on it, brief research on it available from experts. You can easily learn from here. Also they are providing videos under the, as you can see, this is the product ID video, listing process, how to create great Amazon listings, title, each and everything is available here. They are teaching everything from zero to hero. From A to Z they are learning each and everything. So in every video, as I repeat again, learning is earning. If you don't have any skills yet, then I will suggest you to visit this Amazon page and learn your skill as soon as possible, because learning is earning. So I will provide you link in description and bio if you want to learn Amazon for free of cost without any doubt, because this is Amazon is teaching himself here. So that's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Bye for now.